What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Costa Doing Business. Today we are going to get the Raptor from the body shop. Oh, you guys are never gonna believe this. Remember when we found that little the door striker for the interior door in a house? Yeah, that was our sign. We found a lot of hidden damage. This was a lot more expensive than I had planned. But it looks awesome. It's raining now, and currently we're in the Hawkeye, and it's throwing some sort of map sensor correlation code. So it just likes to shut off on me randomly, but I don't have anything else to drive right now. The Raptor's at the shop. The orange car got a flat tire, so the wheels off of it. The RSX, the RX-8, you guys get it. This is the only thing we have to drive. So we're just doing it. We're doing what we do. Yeah, so stick around in this video. We're gonna go over all of the problems that we found with the Raptor, and also we're gonna go over all of the repairs that were done and how much it costs to get to this point. All right. Let's do a little pull. Oh God, don't even look at all that. It's tons of shit. All right, let's. Got that on camera. Fuck. Oh, and I stalled. Damn, boys. Well, we got another fucking problem. Shit. I bet our fucking carbon hood's all fucked up too. God damn it. Oh, completely destroyed the hood. Look, now it won't even fucking stay running. I literally have nothing to drive. Well, let's try to get home. So let's look at the damage. Hood is absolutely fucked. Windshield, roof is dented. That poor hood. Anyway. The reason why we're here, we're gonna get that fixed. Maybe I'll get a new carbon fiber hood, maybe I won't. I don't know. Bummer. But now, the reason that we're all here, I introduced to you the brand new, to us, Raptor SVT. Whew. All right, guys, so as you knew, we had a broken piece here. He resprayed everything, this door. And here's the real, okay, so here's what we found. The cab corners were redone. He redid them. Look how good that is. That is exactly how it should be. God damn, that's good. Before I left the dealership, the dealer told me, oh, and your cab corners have been redone. Don't even worry about it. They were just redone because it's kind of a common problem on these is rusted out on the F-150s. Check this out. This is the cab corner. Look at that. That is absolutely insane. Who the fuck? They weren't replaced. And this was the reason why because it was just all shitty. So he's like, "You want me to?" He's like, "Do you want me to repair that?" And I'm like, "Yeah, go ahead." I figured he was just gonna sand it down and respray it. You know what I mean? Maybe throw a layer. Like, I thought they were done, and it was just like maybe a poor paint or a poor adhesion, or I don't know. I didn't really look at it, but clearly that was poorly done. But everything is absolutely minty now. We redid the tailgate. There was some dents in the tailgate. So really, this truck is good to go. Kind of stoked on it. Let's take it for a drive and let's go somewhere. I'll get you guys some nice rainy B-roll, and let's just forget about this. Let's roll. Woo! All right, guys, it's about a week later. The windshield is fixed. How good the Raptor turned out here in a little bit, but right now, the battery was dead in the RX-8. I jump started it, and we're gonna take this thing for a rip. No clue why that's on. No clue why that's on. But let's set you guys up here. So, I contacted, I think it's called Piston and Rotor Motorsports in Maryland, and they basically informed me that there's nothing we can do for this motor. If it's having hot start issues, it's going to need to be replaced. They are going to be the shop that does it. Kind of disappointed, but ultimately we got this thing for cheap enough where we can put a new motor in it. I was kind of expecting to have to do that, and what we can do is now we just have to make up our minds. Do we just want to restore this thing back to stock and flip it like what ultimately was our plan, or should we just go all out with this thing, make this thing sound cool? They have a street port option that's about, I think, 60 horsepower over stock. What do you guys think? Should we go all out with the RX-8 build, or should we just repair and flip like was originally our plan? Personally, I haven't quite made up my mind yet, but putting a little bit of money into this car, I'm not opposed to it. let's get back to the house. I'm gonna show you guys everything that was done on the Raptor, and tell me what you guys think of the build. The truck looks mint on the outside. The only things to do now is possibly reupholster the front seats, and I think it has an exhaust leak, but I can't find it, but I can hear it. So other than that, our truck's pretty much done. But let's get back to the house. I'll show you guys what's going on. How far do you think we should take the RX-8 build? Should we just fix it and sell it, or should we actually make it a car that we want to drive on a regular basis? Also, put a big thumbs up for the repaired Raptor. Absolutely love this truck. Probably be holding on to it for at least a little while. Follow me on Instagram, StevenAndrewFit. It's cold as hell. I'm going inside. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.